Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the PL-300 exam preparation series where we are looking at the first learning path, prepare the data. In this video, we are going to look at the topic evaluate data including data statistics and column properties, which is part of the section clean the data. Before we go and perform any transformations on the data, it is important to have a look at the data and look at some of the column properties, including some of the data statistics associated with each of the columns. So we are going to follow the same instruction sheet that we have been following in the previous videos, and we will be just looking at one aspect where we are going to just look at the column properties, and we are going to see how we can ensure data quality, how we can do the column profiling, and how we can see the column distribution. So now let's go and see what is the instruction relevant to this part.